Can you ambitious? The money goes here. Oh my God, you're back and can ambition. No, no ambition. What it is what she has been doing is driven by money that she's been receiving from some people. About that now, I have no doubt. Me or Nick agree necessarily, but I know it to be true. So by I discover. So what I have done is to keep quiet about her. I don't talk about her. I don't criticize her. And she has done a lot of harm to the struggle. First, any other person. As of November 2022, we were making a law, we were recording a lot of success in the international arena. And we were reasonably sure so by December, a lady so fún ayé wípé ṣe Nàìjíríà mọ̀. A dẹ̀ máa sure wípé tá a bá ṣe yẹn, there will be at least 1 or 2 countries in the world to máa sọ pé I want support wọn. Tí Nàìjíríà bá gbógun, àwọn wọ̀nyẹn á lè sọ fún pé we are defending this way. Because they have been peaceful in the way they've been handling this. EBT about a day by November. At that one Mura at the Bama Country Party, that him sign agreement. We pay Taba Shebaya, Wana Shebaya. Onitiri Abiola. Only declare Yoruba nation. Because of that is that I wanted to summa what things of what if you take this step, we will take the following step after you. But one so we pay, are you sure that these your people, Yoruba people, can really run a unified country? Can you live like a unified people? Can share series of wonders, Lemares. It has been a